Tag him! Boy!
Oh, that's a good hit. Score and play. Stretchy goes so fast, and he's got a real slow arm action. He's got to score 2. There we go.
Better hustle. Hey, Nick.
Oh my God! Did you?
Yeah.
Did you? Did you? Yes, he did. He's fast. He is fast.
Down!
Connor Kemple, uncommitted, 2016. Connor been swinging a hot bat, had a triple today. Things look like they're coming pretty easy to you right now. Talk about your approach at the plate and why the offensive game is speared up at this time.
Just looking for a ball I can handle in my zone and not trying to do too much with it. Just hit the pitches they give me, not afraid to go the other way, and just see what happens.
And now, Garrett Acton, St. Louis, you commit on the mound, but doing it at the plate today, 3 for 3 and 1 hit away from the cycle. You know, doing something a little different to help out your teammates from the offensive side. Tell us your approach today at the plate.
My approach was just to drive the ball, try to drive the ball through the gaps. If I could do that and try to stay through the ball, I knew that we would have a pretty good day and I'd be able to help the team get some runs.
On 4 shutout innings today, did have some walks, but you were able to manage to get away from those and continue to throw a shutout. Talk about pitching a game like that when you're relying on your fastball and it's sometimes getting behind the count, but still managing to not let the offensive side score any runs.
You know, I'm just trying to put a little movement on it, get a little dip on it, and just go right at them, make them hit me. So.
Hey, when you